Here first I have taken the center line, then I have taken one rectangular shape. This is our reference line, it should be very light. So next we gonna make a bowl, making a oval shape here on the top line. And a curve around here. Since this is a curve, circular shaped curve bowl. Next step, we gonna highlight the lid and the bottom line and the side cylindrical shape. Since this is a glass bowl, we can see the base clearly. Since this is a glass bowl, here I have shown the water level, and you can just increase an inch on top and make the glass. This is the lid part. And we can make this part dark. Now the front part can be darker. Next step, we have to draw the fish in the center. For that, we gonna make one circle here and another circle. Here are 3 circles for the eyes and the mouth, and give the body shape like a leaf shape. Then you can make the tail. This tail is very delicate, so you can just... Next you can take your 6B pencil and will start shading from the top of the lid. You can give the dark edges. Please maintain the lines thin and thick, dark and light. This part and this part will be dark, and only this part will be shaded very light. Just highlight the corners. Since this is a glass bowl, you can give a very light shading like this. Here finish the water and the shading around here. Since this is a glass base, you can give the glass is reflecting over here. The bottom shadow can be like this, and the shading you can give it this way around, since that is a space. At last we will be doing a fish shading. While you doing shading, please keep your paper under your... Next we are shading this fish. I will start with the eyes. Eyes I have given it dark, then I'm blending this eyeball, then this portion, and the gills part, and the fins has to be very delicate, so I'm just giving a strokes this way, like this. You can give one side pressure. First I have given the shading all over here. At last I'm giving a finishing details here, all these scales. Then I have finished up till here. At last we got to cover this line, the water line, or else it looks unnatural. Then we can give a little line over here. So now we have given this line too, and I'm giving little shading to look like a glass. And please leave this highlight over here and here, since this is a glass. As a light falls, you can see all those shadings. Now our fish is ready. You can also frame this fish and keep it on top of your